Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Thursday, August the 14th, 2013. And here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading for the session so far. The Dow's down 180 points. The Nasdaq is down 47. The Russell's down 16.5. The S&P is down 19. We take a look at the commodity space here. Silver is up 25 cents. SLV, copper, JJC is down 50 cents. GDX gold miners are up 28 cents. GLD gold up 42 cents. USO crude oil up 24 cents. And the VIX is up 98 cents. So commodities are holding up pretty steady with this market action that we have going on today to the downside. And the gold miners are doing pretty well. If we take a look at the top sector ETFs from the change from open, we have the the GDX up close to 3% from the opening price. That's definitely a strong sector. The home builders, they're up close to 2% from the opening price. FAZ is near the top of the list for the ETF as well. That means those financials are weak. Silver, gold, XLEs making a nice little move up from the opening, up close to 0.5%. Aside from that, most of the sector ETFs are near the bottom of the list, or negative, I should say, from the opening price. The weakest sector we have is the weakest sectors we have are the financials, the biotechs, the XOI for consumer discretionary, IYR for real estate, XLP for consumer staples. Again, there's weakness going across the board. If you take a look at the market here, just to go over the action in the ES so far, overnight we sold off after breaking out of this little range right here from 1677. From 1677 we sold all the way down to the opening price right here at 1669. Then from 1669 we sold all the way off down to 1656, and now we're trying to get a nice little rally. You can take a look on the 5-minute chart, and you can see the level that we should encounter some resistance around will be right here from the back at the back test of this level right here at 1667 from the breakdown. So that's the level that we could move to next and trade up to next, and then the next level to watch is 1670. We break over 1670, then you can take a look possibly at that 1672. Then I would say 1677 on the 30-minute chart. That's where we got that breakdown from. Obviously, if we move all the way back up there, that'll be a massive buy the dip recovery, right? But looking at the 5-minute chart, first of all, you can see the volume pretty much died out around 10:30. Compared to the volume that we had going in on the open, volume died out a lot there. And now we're getting that nice little float up like we're used to getting here. Double bottom held on the ES at the low of the day from 1656. Again, the back test levels to watch, 1667, and the top of that range, 1670. If we break back below 1661, this little pivot low, we should move back inside this little zone that we have right here from this action over here. All right, I know some of you guys like to watch the ETFs, of course. Let's go ahead and break down those ETFs. SPY gap down from 168.74 to 167.38. Sold off, held support at 166.20. Remember that 166 level was a key level that we talked about in the after the bell market summary video yesterday. And you can see we bounced 20 cents in front of that level. We bounced right in front of that level by 20 cents. You could say we hit a low of 166.20, and the major level was 166. The Nasdaq bounced off of a major level as well, the 75.34 area. Well, you can say right in front of 75. Nice little pattern right here. It's going back up towards the opening price. And the Russell 2000 gap down, pretty much just been trading sideways to lower. You can see it had a nice little rally off this little key 102.30 area or so. The key level to watch on the Russell was that 103. For the fact that we got below this 103 area, those sellers came in, and now we're just rallying up. We have to wait to see if they're going to try to put some lower high opportunities to short in today, or they're going to just make that V-shaped recovery like we've seen, as I'm pretty sure there's still some participants looking to get long stocks in this market. As far as some stocks go that we were trading in the room, I mean, I was trading some VXX action this morning, and that gave you some decent action to the top side from this 15 level to this 1530. Just a little quick trade on the volatility. Caught a nice little move off of ExxonMobil, which I'm still long. Not a big mover, but easy trade, recognizing the fact that ExxonMobil has been selling off a lot, so we got long out of this range right here. It's 88.44. You can see it hit a high of 88.74 or so. So that was a nice little 40-cent move right there that we were able to participate in. And right now the stock's is trading sideways. The bank sold off. Goldman Sachs was weak, but held a little double bottom down there at 160.15. So that stock bounced, and you can see it's now flagging. Let's see, Apple showing some nice strength today. Take a look at Apple on the 15, the 30-minute on the hourly chart on the right, the 15-minute in the middle, and the 5-minute. You see as well, Apple gave you a nice setup to get long right when it broke right back above that opening price, 496.93. Nice move. There's definitely some nice trading going on in Apple, guys. If you guys like to trade high price stocks or stocks with momentum in them, that's definitely one that you should be trading. And if you, of course, if you can withstand those price swings that Apple has. LVS near the top of the change from open list. Nice recovery from the lows there. All right, those coal stocks are trying to hang in there. They were strong all day yesterday, and now they are pulling back in today. Keep an eye on this sector as it could get bought up on this little dip we have right here. For example, you can see that BTU is trying to put in a little up move, a little sideways consolidation right here, and could make a move back up towards the top side, back with the opening price. I would definitely keep an eye on those coal stocks. WLT stock was strong yesterday, not doing much right now. And trading sideways, it is making these little higher. It is making these little higher pivot lows here, so it could definitely get a move back up towards this 1320 here, and potentially try to get some gap fill action. Was strong stock yesterday, so you definitely want to keep an eye on these stocks that were strong yesterday. You definitely want to keep an eye on them to see if they get some gap fill action. Aside from that, keep an eye on those levels I told you guys to watch on the ES, and we'll see if these sellers try to knock the market back down towards the lows, or these dip buyers come in and battle it back up towards the highs. Have a great day, folks. I'll catch you guys for the after the bell market summary. Cheers.